A standard metal knife can easily gouge the painted surface of a steel bathtub and expose bare metal that will rust and require costly repairs. When removing silicone from a steel bathtub, use tools and techniques that prioritize preserving the finish. First, soften the silicone with a silicone caulk remover or apply gentle heat from a hairdryer at a distance of at least 6 inches to make the sealant more pliable without overheating the enamel. Use a plastic razor blade or a purpose-made caulk scraper and hold it at a shallow angle to peel the softened silicone away in long strokes. This reduces the chance of digging into the coating. Work in small sections and keep the area clean by wiping away residue with a cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol or a mild solvent recommended by the bathtub manufacturer. If a stubborn bead remains, score only the silicone surface with a corner of the plastic tool rather than trying to cut through it, then lift the edge with tweezers or a flat plastic pick. Finish by cleaning the seam thoroughly and allowing it to dry completely before applying new silicone, and always test any solvent on an inconspicuous spot to confirm it does not attack the finish. Wear nitrile gloves and eye protection, and ventilate the space to avoid inhaling fumes from removers and solvents. Common mistakes include using a metal knife or utility blade, which can nick paint and expose steel, leading to rust. Use plastic scrapers or specialty caulk tools instead and keep your angle shallow. Another issue is applying excessive force or working too quickly, which creates gouges. Slow, steady strokes with the appropriate tool prevent accidental damage. A third concern is failing to soften the silicone first, which forces you to scrape harder and increases risk to the tub surface. Always use a listed caulk remover or gentle heat to loosen the sealant before attempting removal. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners looking for contractor help with local professionals and provide a discussion community where users share real experience and advice about jobs like silicone removal. We help contractors find work by listing project leads and offering a place to engage with homeowners and other tradespeople.